This is good. This is my 1,000 subscriber video. Feels unreal. It really does. 1,000 subscribers ain't a lot, but I've been at this for a while, and I finally reached 1,000 subs. So I'm happy. And thank you all for if you're subscribed. Thank you for helping me in that journey. But as my 1,000 subscriber video, there is something I haven't done in a while, and that is a unboxing. So DJI just released this baby. I have been shooting with the original Ronin S4 since it came out. It's been a long time. What, 6 years, I think? It's been a while. And I noticed in the last job, it was getting little micro vibrations, so I think the motors are starting to go out. So I'm like, okay, it's about time that I got something new. And I saw I hit 1,000 subscribers. I was like, yo, this is it. This is the time to go ahead and upgrade, do a new unboxing video, and really get something fresh on the channel. Something that's different than I normally do. So, here we go. I need a knife. Danny, knife me. You can just toss it. Haha, knife. All right. So what we got here. Boom. This is a pretty knife. God. Oof. All right. They packed this real nice. I need to make sure I get this DJI care on this stuff. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. So this must be our illustrious gimbal, our main piece of equipment. It is, you know, I expected it to be smaller. Honestly, I expected this to come in a case. Well, hopefully it'll fit in my original Ronin case. Man, this is, it just feels better. Right. See what's in here. So I remember the original Ronin, it came in this like hard foam case. And it made it very easy for carrying. So it looks like they sell in the case separately with this model. All right, this is our battery grip. Okay, so it is smaller because our battery grip is like half the size of our original Ronin. In fact, let me get that. All right, so for comparison, this is my original Ronin setup, original Ronin S setup, I should say. As you can see, the grip is literally like half the size. It looks like these. Oh, this one's actually, hold on, let me do it a little different. Here, so it's like this one's actually a little bit thicker. Go ahead. Got a wheel here. Huh. And I like the way they did this. Originally, it just kind of like clicks right in. This one goes up. Oh, it seems to have locked. Okay. That's nice. I like that. What's this? Come on. Yeah. Okay, so it has a new app. It looks like. Oh, Light Cut. That's not a new app. It's the DJI's video editing app. Okay. Are these stickers? They are. They gave me stickers. Oh, I'm about to start sticker bombing shit. Gave me stickers. Okay, here's the instruction manual. Bingo. Safety guidelines, compliance information. Okay. Quick start guide. Here we go. Very simple. Okay. Oh, here are the feet. I really wonder why they didn't ship this. It's my quick release plate. I really wonder why they didn't ship this all in like with like a carrying case. Oh yeah, it's definitely smaller. Huh. Yeah. So actually, one of the issues I was having was with this one, I wasn't able to fit it with my M-ring for my Movi because it was just too big. It looks like I'll be able to do it with this one, no problem. Just get a base mount and I can mount it to the bottom of the ring. Oh, that's gonna be clutch. Our mounting plate. Oh, this is an interesting plate. So it must slide in here. Okay, that's the bottom of the box. Slide all that over. Is this our quick release? This is our quick release. Oh, wow, even the quick release is different. This is, what's my other quick release plate? It's around here somewhere. So the other quick release plate is just one solid piece with the screw at the bottom, and you were just able to put it on and slide it right in. This one, it looks like you screw it in here and then it slides in here, so it's a two-part plate. Okay. We have our, looks like our lens support. Yep, we have our lens support here. And here are our screws. Awesome. Slide you out. Come on. There we go. Charging cable. Silica gel. Type C to Type C charging cable. Perfect. All right. So I guess that's the basic setup for this. I might say just holding this feels so much better than the original Ronin S. Now, don't get me wrong. This is my baby right here. Like this has got me through so much shit. Like, let me tell you, like, whoo, this has saved me on so many occasions. But I have a feeling that this one now is definitely about to up the ante for me. Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, and I did get an accessory with it. Hold on. Oh, I got this right here from Tilta. It's basically an operating control handle that has the joystick on it. Now, why did I get this instead of just pulling it off of this one? Well, no joystick, no record button, no way to operate the gimbal without having to do this. You know, it's cumbersome. It's very cumbersome. You know, it's very good if I want to do like an underslung shot, but when I'm down here and I can't control the actual camera motion, it's a real pain in the butt. But with this alleviates that. Whew. I just feel it. This is gonna be great. I wonder, can this fit? It does. Perfect. Let's see, which way does this go though? Oh, it's got to go this way. Yeah, M4 up, M4 down. Whoops. Ah! There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It just, I'm excited. Yeah, I can't wait to test this in the field. I just can't wait. It's gonna be great. And actually what I need to do is this focus wheel. Now that's gonna be a bit of an issue. Okay, so there's an M4 plate on both sides because I need my right hand for the this focus wheel. So let me see if I can swap. Oh, this has its own. Okay, perfect. This has its own Allen key. And one thing I really love about this handle, it has a cold shoe mount right here. So that way, if I wanted to, I can attach like a screen here. Now let's see if I can, it doesn't seem I can flip it the other way, which means it can only go to one side. That's bummy. That's a pain. So that means I will literally have to be left-handed and do it. Or, I wonder. You know what? Yeah, because this needs to be attached to here to get power. So that's something I'm gonna have to figure out. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure that out. So I'm pretty sure there's a way I can do that and still get my focus wheel. Because I know the newer models are more designed to use the LiDAR system for focusing rather than using the focus wheel or using DJI's new focus system. So I'm pretty sure they didn't take that into consideration that somebody would be moving just a regular focus wheel from the original Ronin onto this. But that's definitely something I'm gonna have to check out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go play with this thing. And yeah, let's move on to that real world review. Sennheiser.
Find pops of
Great mics.
light.
That's what we're doing today.
So today's gonna be a little bit different. I know you guys saw the last video of Cosmo Gypsy where I did the breakdown of how I did the color grading. Well, today you guys are actually gonna be behind the scenes with me on how I actually work. Yeah, I like that. So I messed up. I should have got the pro version of this because I needed this other RSA port and I don't have one for my focus wheel, but I'm gonna be investing in DJI's focus system anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. But while we're getting ready for this shot, here we go. Make sure we're good. Yep, all right, we're good there. Fully unlocked all around, centered. Bring up our good old Ronin app.
Oh, it would help if I enabled my Bluetooth. All right, we're all connected. Now, I did have some time to play with her. I love this thing. This grip back here, totally worth it. After everything was said and done, it was just a matter of attaching the screen at this point. It's set up like any other camera. Obviously, we just attach one end of the cable to the camera, the other to the monitor, attach the battery, and we are good to go. Now, I must say, I do not regret my purchase. I do wish I had got the RS4 Pro over the RS4, but again, I'm investing in a LiDAR system anyway, so it's not that big of a deal to me, honestly. Overall, this is probably one of the best purchases in my arsenal of filmmaking. The stabilization was perfect, the app was responsive, and everything just worked and flowed the way it was supposed to. It was fantastic, and it made my life so much easier. And this is a purchase I highly recommend for any filmmaker on any level. Obviously, DJI is going to come out with a 5 and a 6 and a 7, and they're just going to be better and better and better. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. And until next time, guys, I love you. Peace.